Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial from VTHREESOFT Technologies. In today's tutorial, we are going to discuss a concept called static typing and dynamic typing. See here, the word typing refers to data types. The word type or typing here refers to data types. So, each and every language requires you to use certain variables. So for example, while studying the C language or C++ or Java, you used to declare variable in some type. Similarly, when you study some other programming languages like PHP, Python and JavaScript, the variable declaration procedure is little different. So if you go and concentrate on the first type, like C language or C++ or Java, when you declare a variable, you are supposed to mention its data type. As you see here, when I declared a variable called num whose value is 5, I clearly mentioned it is of int type, that means integer type. And this variable num, in future you can reassign it, but as long as the value is of type integer, no problem. If you try to assign a value of any other type, that is going to create problem. So something like that, if you try to do in Java, it's going to be error. The reason is, while declaring a variable, I clearly said it's a variable of type integer. Only it will take integer values. It will not take any other type values, any other type of values. Now coming back to dynamic typing, here while declaring a variable, we are not required to mention any data type. So if you want to declare something like num equal to 5, you just go ahead and write num equal to 5. So see, as you notice here, we did not mention any data type. Internally it is considered as int type. If you write like this, internally it is considered as int type again. If you go and write like this, internally this variable num now is considered as a float data type. Okay, now as you notice here, there is a major difference between static typing and dynamic typing. See, when we discussed a static typing, we said when you declare a variable, you are supposed to declare the variable with its data type. The values can be changed as long as the values belong to the same data type. But in dynamic typing, it's not necessary to mention the data type while declaring the variable. If the variable has an integer value, the data type is automatically considered as int. If the variable has a float value, the data type is automatically considered as float. Okay. And the another thing that you need to remember about static typing and dynamic typing here is, see, in case of static typing, if there are any errors, that will be given to you at compilation time only. And in case of dynamic typing, if there are any errors, those errors will be given to you at runtime only. Some of the example for statically typed programming languages are C, C++, and Java. And the example for dynamically typed languages are Python, PHP, Groovy, and even JavaScript also is an example for dynamically typed language. Thank you very much.